So we're learning to play Waltz Mystique. Here's the third video now, and we're working from bar 21 up until the end of bar 30. So this is the bit that goes like this. Okay, so some interesting things in there. Let's look at the melody first of all. Right, let's look at that a few times. So it starts on a B flat, walks down to G, back to the B flat, up to C, walks down again, don't forget the B flat, and then bring your third over, F natural, E, F natural again. So at this point we've moved into a different key, as you can see, because we've suddenly got B flats everywhere and the F sharps are all gone. So that's something to be thinking about. You know, have we gone into a different key? What key is it? Are we in there for long? Anyway, here it is. Okay. And then you're going to spread out from that D to an F. If I just show it as a chord, then a third, then a B. Now you're not actually going to do it like that, but have that shape in your head. Okay, so you're going to spread out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we go, I'll go back to the other bit. So hands are all close together. Then spread out. And then F sharp with your second, back to the B, then up to C and B. Okay, here it is again. Spread out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so under it in your left hand, we've got some more chords. So G. That's called G minor 7. So it'd be a G minor chord with an added 7th. Then we've got a C7, C major chord with and then an F major chord. Right, now this G minor chord with the 7th is going to be missing the D. Okay, so you've got to get it. So it gives that sort of slightly empty sound. Now, I'm tending to hold that second chord, but try not to get in that habit. Try and go. That, okay? So G, then B flat with an F, release, C, then an E with a B flat, and then bring everything closer together, F major. Oh, I try not to hang on to the last chord, so here we go again. Release, release, F major. Chord F sharp, then an A and an E, and again, then B, hold, thumb under A to rest, G rest. Now bring your second onto there. Now see that interesting fingering, 2, 5, 3, 2, thumb, 3, or you could go, so if you've got two options, you can either do it properly in inverted commas, 2, 5, 3, 2, thumb, 3. Now that is the most elegant fingering, but I can't help thinking it's quite a lot to think about, and it may end up actually making the thing sound worse because you'd be struggling getting the fingering. So an easy version would be, you can go down to the B, just walk up to your thumb, and then just bring your 4 onto the E, and then we're into the last section. Okay, so that's what we got in the left hand chords. Release, release, F major. Oh, I've used my 4th there, which is fine, I suppose. And F sharp, F sharp again, to rest, A to rest, G. I'll do the proper fingering. Okay, now we're going to put that all together. Then it gets louder. Now, there is two black notes, D sharp and F sharp. So he goes thumb under, then G, then those two notes. Okay, so let's just look at that line from bar 27. So you go B, take your thumb under, then G, then. I'll show you once more. Did you hear there how I started hanging on to that last chord? You've got to be careful with things like that. So lots of work on that section, and then we're into the final bit.